Today we're feeding the baby. He's in there. He's been eating a lot, so there's a lot of poop around it. Oh, he's howling. 20 seconds in, and he has not come out. We are preparing the food for him. So it's kind of like baby food except for birds, I'm not gonna lie. So, gosh, I never really did that bad.
I'm making sure it's the right temperature.
So she uses the thermometer to make sure that it's the right temperature of, like, so how warm does it have to be?
Well, I make sure in the glass it's about 30, 35, and then by the time it gets on the spoon into his mouth, it cools down to a nice 28.
So that's probably the best for him.
Yeah. He tells me if it's not hot enough, he won't eat it.
Right. And he is in there in the corner staring at the wall.
Oh.
Hello, buddy. Oh, did he eat that?
No.
He's got his little sock, aka my sock, which he uses now.
Oh, he had a yawn.
Oh. I tell you what, he's grown so many feathers. Like, we've had him for like only a week in here, and he's grown like this much feathers. Like he's nearly grown all of his feathers, honestly. And the blue on his chest is absolutely amazing. Beautiful. So the blue on his chest is beautiful, and he has black and white. I think he's one of our first black and white babies, Mum. What do you think? And he's chirping weird because he's very hungry. Oh, it's very blurry. Hold on. No, I've just made it blurrier. Okay. There we go. And he's very hungry, so he's trying to escape just to get the food. And he eats very fast now. Like, this is just one little spoonful, and usually we give him how many spoons?
About 2.
About 2 spoons, and his belly will grow big, and if his belly is nice and big and he won't eat anymore, that means he's full. So look how fast he eats this. It's like supersonic. He's eating it so fast. He used to eat it super slow. Like, I think it took us an hour one time to feed him because he was eating so slow, but he's learning how to feed himself. So we're giving him spoons, and he's eating it now. We used to use the syringe and kind of like, not shove, but try and like get it actually into his mouth. But now he's just eating it straight from the spoon, like it's like a supersonic bird. It's absolutely amazing how birds grow. Honestly.
When that hadn't been done by Sunday, you said you were being shocked that that was the case. The Victorian government says the first communication they had
He's good with his eating.
was on Sunday, and you didn't make any direct requests. The first direct request came from the Prime Minister in a text message on Monday. Can you clarify those?
As you can see, he's already nearly done.
The operators of Epping Gardens.
That's what we feed him every day. That yellow stuff, which is like powder mixed with water at the right temperature, and if you mix it together, it makes this liquidy stuff that you feed the bird, baby birds.
Got it everywhere.
He's a very messy eater, as you can tell.
Oh, normally he's actually not this messy, but today he's...
Yeah, he's pretty messy today. That's for sure. You can see he's dripping it everywhere. And that's what the liquid stuff kind of looks like. Oh, you got some on your hands, Mum. He's spilling it everywhere. He doesn't usually do this. He's usually a very posh eater. Okay, I wouldn't say posh, but like he's very nice eater.
I did say that this has become really.
And sometimes I hold him.
And I did make a
Hey.
formal request, but we have been discussing this.
But look at his stomach. So it turns into a ball
So,
as he eats. So now it's gotten fatter and turned into a ball a bit more. So the stomach is usually where our chests are, under his neck. So that's where his stomach is. You can tell that it's turned into a big ball. And Mum, would you say he's full yet?
I'd say he's full.
Yeah.
He stopped eating. Now he knows how much he needs.
So that's pretty much. So he's got a big ball on his chest. See, look, he's posing for the camera. Look at that. He's got a big ball on his chest, which is where all of his food goes. It's like his stomach, but on his chest, under his neck. So like usually we have it like under our chest, but he has it on his chest. So yes, it's amazing. And now we put him back in. This time it was only 6 minutes. He's getting faster and faster pretty much every day. And then he's ready to...
Here, he's lost balance. Put that in there in case he wants any more.
And now he's going to get comfy to try and get back to sleep. And that's the day in life of Bubbles the bird. And then we put all of his things in these drawers here, mostly in the top and bottom, top and second drawer. So these two, usually. Sometimes we put things in the third drawer, barely. Yeah, there's some powder and stuff, you know, egg food. And we have like hand sanitizer and supplies in here. And then we put the actual like spoons and food in here. So we put like syringes, bowls, tape, scissors, and thermometers in there. And then, I don't know what the tape and scissors is for, but clearly something.
We had to cover up some of the vents to make it warmer.
Oh.
So we used oil, and to stick it on we used tape, and then when we didn't need it anymore we took it off.
Oh, nice.
Hi!
So that is all. Goodbye.